my fashion dance and divas, welcome back. First video of 2017. Yo, it's another new year already, guys. So the year flew by so quickly. Hope you guys will stay rocking with me. I'm working on some new content for you guys, and I see you guys are enjoying my last video. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to leave it linked in the description bar below, so go have a laugh. So lots of the outfits on the red carpet last night at the Golden Globe Awards were lit. So I thought I would do this episode a little bit different. I'm just gonna do it kind of like a reaction type video or something like that. I'm going to be going through some of the outfits that I saw at the Golden Globes last night, and yeah, I'm just basically gonna tell you guys what was hot, what was not, who did cute, who did never cute, and whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have not turned on your post notifications from me, go ahead and do it. It's right below it's right below this video. Beside the subscribe button, there's a little bell. Click it so that every time I put out a video, you guys will be able to see, because I don't know what's going on with YouTube, guys, but something is definitely going on. So don't miss a video. Click the post notification bell, ting 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 ting. Yeah, so are you guys ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna go through basically with my top 5 first, my top 5 best dressed persons like I normally do, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about everybody else and what they have on. Alright, I have the outfits on my laptop, and I also have the outfits on my phone, so I'm just going to be kind of going back and forth to basically tell you guys what they were wearing and if I like the outfit or not. As I said, my top 5 are coming first. I wouldn't really say they're in any particular order, but yeah, Janelle Monáe, damn, like, girl, this dress, she always pulls off black and white, and I never really understand like how she just does it. It's like every time you think she outdo herself, she come with something else, and I absolutely love it. This dress, the contrast between the sequins at the top, I think those are sequins, yeah, the sequins at the top, and then the black and white dots with the tulle, oh, it's cute. I love it. Next outfit, in my number 2, who made it after number 2 again? Oh, Naomi Campbell. Yes, Naomi Campbell was my number 2 outfit pick, and I absolutely love her dress. Is this silver? I think this is silver and black. It's very cute. Her chocolate is just glowing, and I think this dress is just so unique and just so different. So number 3 was this gorgeous dress by Olivia Culpo. Oh my god, she was wearing this dress. It was so freaking bomb. It had like this X thing in the front, and then the colors on the dress so vibrant. The cut of the dress, everything was just perfect. Yeah, her designer was Zuhair Murad. Kudos to him with this dress. I think he really pulled that shit off. So the next outfit that is in my top 5 was Blake Lively. She was wearing this black suede dress, suede or velvet. Yeah, it has some gold details around the neck area and also on the pockets. The dress is gorgeous. Her designer is Atelier Versace. So yeah, I love that dress. Real cute and very unique. The final person in my countdown for the top 5 was Heidi Klum. She had on this black and white dress, like a textured type of sequin. I love that. The bosom area coming down to the torso was real cute. The black and white contrast, nice. And she also had on black sandals, so I really think that was a cute look. Now that we've gotten over who looks absolutely amazing, let me get on to everybody else. We'll never make the top 5, right? So first I'm starting off with, what may I start off with? Yeah, this silver dress is cute. I just say it's cute. It's nothing spectacular really. Naomi Harris. Yeah, I liked her dress as well. I like how her hair complements her dress. The design of the dress is kind of basic, but I like the fabric. Yeah, the fabric is cute. Zoe Saldana. Yeah, this dress reminds me of the dress that Rihanna wore to the Met Gala in 2015. Yeah, 2015, because it wasn't last year, with the same kind of ruffled looking. Yeah, I don't like this dress. It does look unique, but for her, nah, she could have done better for the Golden Globes, but hey, girl, I'm just saying what I think, you know. Sofia Vergara. Oh my god, this dress is so Latino and so gorgeous. The design is different. I like it, and then the slicked back hair makes it very cute as well. She always dresses differently. Her smile is just always so vibrant. This is what, lace? Yeah, something lace-ish. I like that too. But everybody seems to be going for a sweetheart neckline. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute, but at this point it's becoming a little bit predictable. But yeah, I like the outfit still. She look nice. I love the color. It's a very feminine color. The design of the dress is nice as well. I love the abstract with the whole ruffle on the top there. Yeah, I didn't get to see her shoes or anything, but at this point with the length of the dress like that, you don't really need to see her shoes. So yeah, I like it. I like her dress, and I really like her hair like that too. Okay, she's so cute. She's so small and cute. I love when she has a bun because her baby hair just always just lay down. A boring ass dress like this, yeah, she makes it look cute. Issa Rae is like the definition of black girl magic. Look at her. Her chocolate is just glowing, guys. Like, look at her. She's so cute. Look how white her teeth are compared to her dress. It's like literally the same color. Am I the only one seeing that right now? Teeth them white like piece of chalk, yo. Yeah, I love the clutch. Love the all white look. I like when looks are just clean and simple, yo. This is definitely one of them. Her hair, definitely here for her hair as well. Viola Davis. Alright, so her recently just got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Congratulations to her. A bob cut on her is literally everything. So everybody seems to be going with the simple white clutches. Alright, cool. Let me see that jewelry on the arm. Yeah, not really. I feel the gold, not gold, the silver diamond chunky choppery. Yeah, she could have done something else bracelet wise. Maybe gold accessories, because I don't know. The white clutch throwing me off, and then the big chunky silver bracelet, yeah, that's throwing me off as well. Kerry Washington, guys, look at this dress. Look at her lip color. Right now I'm here for the lip color. My day of feet. Yeah, I'm here for the lip color. The lip color is everything, guys. Straight here, slay. Color of the dress, I love. The design, very different. This looks kind of like a little ethnic type dress, if you know what I mean. Not discriminating, guys, I'm just saying it looks kind of ethnic, like Asian looking. Let me see who was her designer. Oh, Dolce & Gabbana. Okay, cool. The dress is okay, nothing spectacular, but her makeup, I'm definitely here for the makeup. Boy, you bet. I'm definitely here for the makeup. Yeah, definitely. Always here for the makeup, guys. I don't really know what I'm going with Pharrell. I don't know what is going on with him right now, but that the general for the army look here, and then it just, who is this? Who is he with? I don't know. The two of them standing in the same place, it just let my head hurt me. I really don't like it. Like, the two of them standing in the same place is confusing. From her hair to the dress, it's just too much of one. Too much is going on. The lip color, everything is just throwing me off. Yeah, I'm gonna Pharrell, and then Pharrell looks so tired. Like, look at his eyes though. So what's the purpose of the beanie? Like, I'm confused by both their outfits right now. Very confused. Yeah, Michelle Williams, no, I'm gonna really know. Your choker is cute though. I like the choker, but I'm not here for the dress at all. Kristen Bell, girl, yes, definitely a part of the ETBTTT committee, but she doesn't mind. Love the long sleeves, love the length of the dress, the way her hair is like a really bright blonde, and then her dress is dark. Love it. Girl, my name not gonna try pronounce her last name. I'm not gonna try. No. Her designer was Reem Accra. Don't know them, but I'm definitely here for the dress, the train, the silver detailed, that waist cinch part right there, the cut with the bosom. Yeah, definitely here for her dress. This yellow dress is everything. Yeah, so Octavia Spencer, why? See, this is why I have trust issues, right? Because how can you have a stylist and then put you in a something like this? Let me go in my closet and just put something on and go to the Golden Globes. Like, that's how it looks, honestly. Not trying to throw shade, I'm being honest. Don't like the outfit at all. This, I feel insulted. Yeah, it's not flattering at all in no place. No place at all, it's not flattering. Yeah, I feel disappointed with what she has on. Alright guys, so this is reasons why I always get disappointed when people with money do some little crazy shit. Like Vera Wang always designs very nice dresses. This is a Vera Wang dress, but not for you, Sarah Jessica Parker. This just looks like a wedding gown gone wrong. Love the hair. The dress is okay, but for this occasion and for her body type, and I just don't like the dress though. Yeah, I don't like the dress. Don't like the dress. Her makeup, let me zoom in on the makeup. I like her makeup look. Her makeup look is really nice, especially because it brings out her eyes, and then the color of the hair also brings out her eyes, but the dress, nah. Alright guys, so there we have it. Let me know what you think about the outfits in the comment section below. If there's anybody's outfit that I didn't feature in my video and you want me to take a look at it, then tell me in the comment section as well. You guys don't know the deal. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share with a friend and whatever, all that good jazz. See you next week for our next episode of This Week in Fashion. Stay tuned for the other videos coming up this week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.